In this video, you are going to learn how to find the equation of a line, given the slope and a point on the line, or 2 points on the line. We will write the equation in point-slope form and in slope-intercept form. Problem 1. Find an equation of the line that contains the point -8, 5 and has a slope of -11. In this problem, you are given a point on the line and the slope of the line. The slope is m equals -11 and the point is -8, 5. To write the equation, we use this formula called slope-point formula. In this formula, x1, y1 is a point on the line. So, x1 is -8 and y1 is 5. Now substitute the values of m, x1 and y1. You get y minus y1 is 5 is equal to m is -11, x minus x1 is -8. Now simplify. Y minus 5 is equal to -11, x. Negative of -8 is +8. We got an equation for the line. This equation is in slope-point form. If your question asks you to write the equation in slope-point form, then this is the final answer. And you should stop here. Next we are going to write the equation in slope-intercept form. To write the equation in slope-intercept form, first remove the parenthesis using the distributive property. You get y minus 5 is equal to -11 times x is -11x. -11 times +8 is -88. Next, isolate y by moving the -5 to the right-hand side. You get y is equal to -11x minus 88. You are moving a -5, so you need to add +5 on the other side. Now simplify. Y is equal to -11x, -88 plus 5 is -83. This equation is in slope-intercept form. Problem 2. Find an equation of the line that contains the points 4, 7 and 9, 9. In this problem, you are given 2 points on the line. The points are 4, 7 and 9, 9. With these 2 points, you can find the slope of the line. With the slope and one of these 2 points, we can write the equation of the line. So, let us find the slope first. The formula to find the slope is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Take this point as x1, y1, and this point as x2, y2. Now, substitute the values of y2, y1, x2 and x1. You get m is equal to y2 is 9 minus y1 is 7 divided by x2 is 9 minus x1 is 4 is equal to 9 minus 7 is 2 divided by 9 minus 4 is 5. So, the slope is 2/5. Next, use the slope-point formula to write the equation of the line. Substitute the values of m, x1 and y1. You get y minus y1 is 7 is equal to m is 2/5, x minus x1 is 4. This is the slope-point form of the equation. Next, we are going to write this in slope-intercept form. First, remove the parenthesis using the distributive property. You get y minus 7 is equal to 2/5 times x is 2/5 x. 2/5 times -4 is negative. 2 times 4 is 8. Divided by 5. Now, isolate y by moving this term to the right-hand side. You get y is equal to 2/5 times x minus 8/5. You are moving -7. So you need to add +7 on the other side. Next, you need to combine these 2 terms. 7 has no denominator. So, you need multiply and divide 7 by this denominator. You get -8/5 plus 7 times 5 is 35, divided by 5, is equal to, put the common denominator. Negative 8 plus 35 is 27. Now y is 2 over 5 times x, plus 27 over 5. This is the slope-intercept form of the equation.